Hi there! In today's video, we will showcase the top 12 new electrician tools you can buy this year that will make your work easier. Let's get started. KLEIN Tools ET310 AC Circuit Breaker Finder. The KLEIN Tools ET310 AC Circuit Breaker Finder is an essential tool for accurate electrical troubleshooting. This two-part system includes a transmitter connected to the outlet and a receiver that scans the panel, ensuring precise breaker identification. The receiver offers clear visual and audible signals when the correct breaker is found. Compatible with 9120V AC circuits, it also features a built-in GFCI outlet tester for added safety. The transmitter docks in the receiver for convenient storage, and its 3-pin plug ensures universal connectivity with North American grounded outlets. Optional accessories can connect the transmitter to other fixtures, making this tool versatile for various electrical systems. IRWIN 2,078,309 VISE-GRIP Wire Stripper. The IRWIN VISE-GRIP Wire Stripper is an 8-inch tool designed for precision and comfort. It strips and cuts 10 to 22 WG wires and features a plier-style nose for pulling and looping wire. The induction-hardened cutting edge stays sharp longer, while the bolt cutter cuts bolts to size, leaving a perfect lead thread. The tool also cribs both insulated and non-insulated terminals. With ergonomic Pro Touch grips, it reduces hand fatigue and meets all ANSI standards. Ideal for electrical work, the IRWIN VISE-GRIP Wire Stripper ensures efficient and accurate wire handling. KLEIN Tools CL120 Digital Clamp Meter. The KLEIN Tools CL120 Digital Clamp Meter offers versatile electrical measurements, including AC current and non-contact voltage testing via the clamp, and AC/DC voltage, resistance, and continuity via test leads. It features auto-ranging technology for accurate results and a backlit LCD for clear readings in low-light conditions. Additional features include a test lead holder, optional magnetic hanger for hands-free operation, max and data hold capabilities, and auto power off after 10 minutes to conserve battery life. The complete package includes a carrying case, test leads with safety caps, instructions, and batteries. Designed by electricians for electricians, this clamp meter combines durability with precision. KAIWEETS HT100's Voltage/Non-Contact Voltage Tester. The KAIWEETS HT100's Voltage/Non-Contact Voltage Tester prioritizes safety with audible and visual alarms when voltage is detected. The non-contact voltage tester features an NCV inductive probe for a C voltage detection, displaying signal intensity and voltage on an LCD screen. It offers dual range detection, 12 1000 VAC and 71,000 VAC, and identifies live or neutral wires. The tester meets IEC CAT EE 1000 VCAT IV 600V standards, with high voltage alerts for added safety. Compact with an LED flashlight, low battery indicator, and automatic power off, it includes 2 3A batteries. Ideal for electricians and homeowners, it provides accurate, easy-to-read results and convenient features for efficient electrical testing. KLEIN Tools 44218 Utility Knife. The KLEIN Tools 44218 Utility Knife is designed for electricians, featuring a heavy-duty hawkbill blade ideal for cable skinning. The folding utility knife has a lockback mechanism and a rubberized grip for safety and comfort. The blade is replaceable, secured by a captive screw, eliminating the need for sharpening. It includes a thumb stud for easy opening and a pocket clip for accessibility. Replacement blades are available in 440A stainless steel and straight coping variants. This versatile knife ensures efficient and safe cutting, making it a reliable tool for professionals dealing with tough cable skinning tasks. Custom LEATHERCRAFT 1509 Electrician's Tool Pouch. The Custom LEATHERCRAFT 1509 Electrician's Tool Pouch is a professional-grade tool bag with 21 pockets for organizing tools. It features a zippered top flap to secure tools when not in use, an ergonomic rubber handle, and a padded shoulder strap for comfort. The large inside pocket accommodates 10-inch hand tools, while the zippered back pocket holds an 8-inch by 5-inch writing pad. The pouch includes a steel hammer loop, an outside pocket for a cell phone, and 3 large screwdriver holders. Designed for durability and convenience, this tool pouch is perfect for electricians needing efficient tool storage and easy transport. KLEIN Tools 32293 Insulated Screwdriver. The KLEIN Tools 32293 Insulated Screwdriver is a versatile 2-in-1 tool featuring a flip blade with 2 Phillips and 1/4-inch slotted tips. The blade securely releases with a quick twist of the lock collar, making it easy to switch between tasks. The handle and blade are rated for 1000 volts, with impact and flame-resistant insulation to protect from electric shock. Compliant with ASTM F1505 standards, the screwdriver includes cushion grip handles for added torque and comfort. The double-ended blades have a 3.5-inch shaft length out of the handle, ideal for fitting tight terminal blocks. This tool is perfect for electricians needing a reliable, safe, and comfortable screwdriver. CRAFTSMAN CMHT 37225 Tape Measure. The CRAFTSMAN CMHT 37225 tape measure is a 25-foot retractable tape measure designed for ease of use and accurate measurements. The self-locking blade stays extended until you press the retract button, providing smooth, comfortable retraction. Fractions printed on the blade make taking quick and easy measurements simple. With a rubber overmold for added grip, this tape measure is both user-friendly and durable. Ideal for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts, it ensures fast and precise measurements, making it a perfect addition to any toolbox. KLEIN Tools 56331 Electrical Fish Tape. The KLEIN Tools 56331 Electrical Fish Tape is a 50-foot steel wire puller with a double loop tip, designed for light commercial, residential, and voice data video installations. The durable 1/8-inch wide steel tape is firm yet flexible for large wire pulls. Its optimized housing design decreases payout effort, and the slip-resistant geometry improves winding power. The large handle provides a steady grip during use. Laser-etched markings in 1-foot increments allow for accurate measurement of conduit runs and tape payout. The polypropylene case and handle offer maximum impact resistance, making this fish tape a reliable tool for electricians. FLUKE 114 Electrician's Multimeter. The FLUKE 114 Electrician's Multimeter is a versatile tool designed for efficient electrical troubleshooting. It features autovolt automatic AC/DC voltage selection, low input impedance to prevent false readings, and a large white LED backlit display for working in poorly lit areas. The multimeter offers true RS voltage and current readings with 6,000 count resolution and tests for frequency, continuity, and resistance. It also records signal fluctuations using min/max/average with elapsed time. Safety rated at Cat IEI 600V, the FLUKE 114 includes a holster, installed 9V battery, test leads, and a user manual. Its compact design and easy one-hand operation make it an ideal choice for electricians. KLEIN Tools 63050 Cable Cutter. The KLEIN Tools 63050 Cable Cutter is a heavy-duty cutter made in the USA, ideal for cutting aluminum, copper, and communications cables. It features cable gripping shear-type jaws for precision, one-hand shearing action, making it perfect for working in confined spaces. The cutter's through-hardened cutting surfaces are longer-lasting, and the beveled jaw tips ensure proper mating and shearing action, protecting the leading jaw edges. The hot riveted joint provides smooth action without handle wobble. Its ergonomic grip and compatibility with most tool pouches make it a convenient tool for professional use. KLEIN Tools 56040 LED Rechargeable Flashlight. The KLEIN Tools 56040 LED rechargeable flashlight offers powerful illumination with a high mode of 350 lumens for 6 hours and a low mode of 125 lumens for 12 hours. It features a Class II red laser for pinpoint accuracy and an adjustable focus lens for easy transition between spotlight and floodlight. The strong magnetic end cap allows hands-free operation, while the removable pocket clip and integrated lanyard hole provide portability and secure attachment. Designed to withstand daily use, the flashlight has a 10-foot drop rating and IP54 water and dust-resistant construction. It includes a USB charging cable and a built-in battery gauge indicator. We hope you enjoyed our video on the 12 new electrician tools that will make your work easier. Thanks for watching.